Have you ever wondered what it takes to live a century? Well, a recent study may have some answers hidden in our blood. Delve into the intricate world of centenarians, those remarkable individuals who've crossed the threshold of 100 years. A fascinating study published in the journal GeroScience decided to peek under the hood, examining the metabolic profiles of these age-defying individuals, and what they found is nothing short of intriguing. In the blood of these centenarians, researchers discovered lower levels of certain substances compared to people who didn't reach the grand age of 100. These substances, glucose, uric acid and creatinine, are more than just mere molecules. They are biomarkers, indicators of our body's functions and health. And it seems that having lower levels of these biomarkers could be a clue to reaching that elusive century mark. Here's another fascinating tidbit from the study. These differences in biomarker levels were not something that just popped up as these individuals approached their 100th birthday. Oh no, these differences were already noticeable as early as the age of 65. It's as if the secret to longevity was subtly written in their blood decades before they hit the 100 mark. But the question then becomes why? Why do these individuals have lower levels of glucose, uric acid and creatinine? What's happening in their bodies that's different from the rest of us? Is it their diet, their lifestyle, or is it something in their genetic makeup that sets them apart? Could these blood biomarkers be the secret to longevity? Let's delve deeper. Biomarkers, they might be the key to unlocking the mystery of longevity. Imagine a set of biological breadcrumbs leading us towards the path of a longer, healthier life. These breadcrumbs are biomarkers, specific physical traits that can provide a snapshot of our health and potentially predict our lifespan. Biomarkers are measurable substances in our body that indicate our health status. They're like a biological barometer, providing insights into our body's functioning and its potential diseases. In the context of longevity, biomarkers give us a glimpse into the physiological conditions that favor a long life. Now let's delve into the intriguing findings of a recent study published in GeroScience. This study examined the metabolic profiles of individuals who lived to be at least 100 years old. In particular, the researchers focused on 12 key biomarkers related to inflammation, liver and kidney function, and metabolic health. What's fascinating about these centenarians is that they uniformly had biomarker values within healthy ranges. They had lower levels of glucose, uric acid, and creatinine in their blood compared to those who didn't reach the age of 100. These differences were observed as early as 65 years old, suggesting these biomarkers could be early indicators of longevity. It's like these centenarians were holding a winning hand of cards, with each card representing a favorable biomarker value. They didn't have values at the extreme ends of the ranges, but rather their biomarker profiles were balanced and within the boundaries of good health. But remember, these findings are just one piece of the longevity puzzle. While these biomarkers may be indicative of a longer lifespan, they don't guarantee it. They are, however, potential clues, a set of biological signposts pointing us towards the path of longevity. In the quest for a long, healthy life, these biomarkers act as our guide, providing valuable insights into the conditions that favor longevity. They highlight the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle and making specific modifications to improve our chances of living a longer, healthier life. These biomarkers could potentially be the indicators of a long, healthy life. As the research into longevity continues, we might just find that the secret to a long life has been coursing through our veins all along. But it's not just about genetics and biology. Lifestyle plays a crucial role in our lifespan. The recent GeroScience study that delved into the metabolic profiles of centenarians suggests that lifestyle factors might have a significant influence on longevity. Among these, diet and alcohol consumption stood out as pivotal elements. Picture this. Our bodies are like intricate machines running on the fuel we provide them. The quality of this fuel, our diet, can indeed make a profound difference. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins and healthy fats, can keep our metabolic profiles in check. It is like providing premium fuel for a high-performance car. The engine runs smoother, the ride is better, and the car lasts longer. Take the Mediterranean diet, for instance. It's been linked to heart health and longevity, thanks to its focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and olive oil. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat as well. Eating mindfully, savoring each bite, can make a significant difference. Alcohol consumption, on the other hand, is a bit of a double-edged sword. While moderate consumption, particularly of red wine, has been associated with certain health benefits, excessive drinking can have detrimental effects on our body, impacting our liver, heart, and metabolic health. It's also essential to remember that our lifestyle is more than just what we eat or drink. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, and maintaining strong social connections all contribute to a healthier, potentially longer life. It's about creating a harmony of practices that contribute to overall well-being. It seems then that the fountain of youth might be as simple as making healthier lifestyle decisions. It's not about striving for perfection, but about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. So let's raise a glass of red wine to that, in moderation, of course. But don't start celebrating just yet. There's still much more to discover. As intriguing as these findings are, they are merely the tip of the iceberg in our quest to understand longevity. The study we've been discussing, as enlightening as it is just one piece of a vast and complex puzzle. Sure, the metabolic profiles of centenarians provide us with a tantalizing glimpse into the potential factors that contribute to a longer life. But it's crucial to remember that these are only correlations, not causations. More research is needed to fully understand the relationship between these biomarkers and longevity. We need to delve deeper into the roles of glucose, uric acid, and creatinine in our bodies, and how their lower levels might contribute to living a century or more. Yet these biomarkers do not exist in a vacuum. They interact with our lifestyle choices and genetic makeup, weaving a web of interconnected factors that determine our lifespan. So as we unravel the mysteries of these biomarkers, we must also investigate how lifestyle factors like diet, exercise, and alcohol consumption come into play. For instance, does a diet rich in certain nutrients influence the levels of these biomarkers? Can regular exercise help maintain these optimal levels? And how does reducing alcohol consumption impact these biomarkers and, by extension, our longevity? Then there's the genetic aspect to consider. Are these biomarker levels purely a result of lifestyle, or is there a genetic predisposition that makes some of us naturally equipped to live longer? And if so, can we alter our genetic destiny through lifestyle modifications? These are the questions that scientists around the world are working tirelessly to answer. It's a field of research brimming with potential, and each new finding brings us one step closer to unlocking the secrets of longevity. But until we have all the answers, here's what we can do. Live healthier. We can reduce our alcohol consumption, embrace a balanced diet, and commit to regular exercise. These are lifestyle choices within our control that have been proven time and again to contribute to better health and potentially longer lives. While science continues to unravel the mysteries of longevity, we can all make healthier choices today. Ultimately, the power to live a longer, healthier life may be in your hands. The fascinating study of centenarians we've delved into today uncovers the potential role of biomarkers in longevity. These individuals, who have lived to at least 100 years old, showed lower levels of certain markers in their blood. This was observed as early as 65 years old, hinting at the predictive power of these biomarkers. Yet, it's not just about what's in your blood. The study also suggests that lifestyle factors play a significant role in exceptional longevity. The food you eat, the beverages you drink, the exercise you get, these daily choices may be shaping your health far more than you realize. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. More research is needed to fully understand the complex interplay between our biomarkers, lifestyle, and genetics in determining our lifespan. Remember, every choice you make today could potentially shape your tomorrow. So take a moment to consider, what choices will you make for your longevity?